हाय गाइस। आप लोगों ने सारे ट्रैवल वीडियोस तो देखे ही होंगे म्यांमार के, पर हमने सोचा कि तुम लोगों को थोड़ा और डिटेल में सब इन्फॉर्मेशन दे, लाइक एग्जैक्टली इफ़ यू वांट टू प्लान योर ट्रिप टू म्यांमार। सो वी वर थिंकिंग टू मेक अ वीडियो वेयर वी विल गिव द एंटायर आइटिनरी जिसमें हम लोगों ने ट्रैवल किया, एंड वी विल ऑल्सो गिव यू सम टिप्स जिसके थ्रू यू कैन ऑल्सो प्लान योर ओन ट्रिप। तो इसके लिए मैंने एक ख़ास आदमी को रखा हुआ है, एक लड़की को रखा हुआ है जो सही इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको देगी। सो ओवर टू यू लड़की।
थैंक यू लड़के। चलो इस डिटेल्ड आइटनरी का उद्घाटन करते हैं। ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स स्टार्ट राइट बैक फ्रॉम इंडिया। तो हम लोग ने मुंबई से ट्रेन ली, पहले तो कोलकाता के लिए, और फिर कोलकाता से ट्रेन ली गुवाहाटी पहुंचने के लिए। दोनों वाज अबाउट 500 पर जर्नी। From Guwahati we took a cab, like you can get a shared cab or you can take buses also. Shared cab is around 170 and buses are around 70 to 100. That is for going from Guwahati to Shillong. फिर शिलोंग से दूसरी बस लेनी है। ऐसे तो हम लोग ने वहाँ पे एक हफ्ता स्पेंड किया, घूमा फिरा, बट लेट्स जस्ट फोकस ऑन हाउ टू गेट फ्रॉम इंडिया टू म्यांमार। तो फ्रॉम शिलोंग हम लोग ने एक और बस ली विच वॉज अराउंड 900 टू गेट टू इम्फाल, द कैपिटल ऑफ मणिपुर। फ्रॉम इम्फाल वी टुक अनदर शेयर्ड कैब which is supposed to be usually around 300 per person to get to More, which is the border town of India, before crossing into Myanmar. मोरे में हम लोग एक रात रुके. So next morning we were going to leave for Myanmar. So the first thing that we had to do was go to the immigration checkpost, which was like hardly 1.5 kilometers वहाँ से, but you can take an auto which cost around 100 rupees. So ICP पे जाने के पहले you need to have your visa ready, visa and थोड़े documents etc. सब ready रखना है. It doesn't take a lot of time. It takes hardly 10 minutes to get all the formalities done. If you want more detail on how to actually cross the border, there is already a video, amazing video made by Raghu. The link is in the description. After that, so basically you just cross over from the Friendship Bridge, और फिर Friendship Bridge के दूसरे साइड पे म्यांमार का ICP आता है, and from there you'll get 50 rupees per person के shared tuk-tuks, which will take you to Tamuka town. So because the town is pretty far away from the border, so you need to take that shared cab. So Tamu is the first town that you get to after crossing the land border in Myanmar, and that's the border town. So वहाँ पे you can get all of your SIM cards, you can get whatever necessary like cash conversion, ये सब कुछ वहाँ पे हो जाएगा आपका. कोई भी किराने के दुकान में मिल जाएगा, because that was pretty easy for us to figure out. So from Tamu you can go to Mandalay, which is the second largest city of Myanmar. वहाँ पे जाने के लिए we took a mini bus kind of a thing, which was very good. It cost us around 1025, so 1200 के आसपास. But you have to remember that the last bus goes at 4 PM. So if you are crossing the border in the morning, no issues, कुछ ना कुछ मिल जाएगा. But if you're crossing it in the evening, make sure that you time it accordingly. So Mandalay में हम लोग का stay बहुत cheap था. We stayed at AD1 Hotel Mandalay. It was very near the market area, and वो बुक किया था Go Ibibo ऐप से. It was around 600 to 700 rupees, and it included the breakfast for the following day. So after Mandalay we were leaving for Bagan, and हम लोग की जो बस थी that was 525 rupees, and it was a good bus, so it takes around 6 hours to get from Mandalay to Bagan. फिर बगान के बस स्टॉप से आपका जो भी हॉस्टल है वहाँ तक जाने के लिए you will have to take a tuk-tuk. There are bike tuk-tuks, there are like sharing tuk-tuks etc. We just took a bike tuk-tuk which cost us around like 100 to 150. आपके bargaining power के ऊपर depend होता है. So when you leave from the Bagan का bus stop to get inside the Bagan का archaeological zone, there is a barricade in between where you have to pay entrance fees, and it's like some historical archaeological site ka entry fee which is 1250 in Indian rupees. So at Bagan we stayed and volunteered at Baobab Hostel, which is a very beautiful hostel with amazing amenities, and so our stay and food was taken care of. Once in a while we ate out, but that was hardly any, so I'm not going to consider that. In Bagan, I'll tell you a few of the top places that are famous to visit, and then I'll also tell you a few of the ones that are not famous and you should definitely try to explore. तो फर्स्ट वन इज़ आनंदा टेम्पल, जिसके लिए वो ओवर एंड अबव द एंट्री फी यू ऑल्सो हैव अनदर एंट्री फी स्पेसिफिकली फॉर द टेम्पल, विच इज़ वाई वी डिडंट go there. So other temples that you can visit which are quite famous are these offbeat temples जो हम लोग गए, उसमें से जिनके नाम मैं बता सकती हूँ. दैट इज़ द केव टेम्पल विच इज़ अ लिटिल फार अवे, 4 to 5 kilometers अवे. तो बाइक से जाना पड़ेगा. ई बाइक्स बहुत ईजिली मिलती है, विच इज़ एन अमेजिंग मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. एंड देन इन फ्रंट ऑफ द केव मॉनेस्ट्री स्टेप्स चढ़ के ऊपर एक और पगोड़ा है, विच इज़ अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल पगोड़ा. एंड if you talk to the monk over who stays in front of the cave monastery, he can give you a key, and then you can go and you can even climb up to the top of the pagoda, which is not allowed anywhere else. Other than that, there were so many different beautiful spots that we just came across, because हम लोग को ना उसके नाम पता है ना उसका रास्ता बता पाएंगे, because we were just we just pulled out our bike and then we were randomly going to whichever road, whichever turn that looked beautiful at the time और जिसमें जाने का मन किया. And then we stumbled across some beautiful old pagodas. Probably, I don't know if they have a name. And then some of the pagodas were right beside the Irrawaddy river, जहाँ पे इतना beautiful sunset दिखता है. So that's about Bagan. And after Bagan, our next stop was Inle Lake. But to get to Inle Lake, we didn't want to just go by bus. So what we decided was to do the Callao to Inle hike. This hike is around 3 दिन का complete hike, जिसमें around 41 kilometers cover होते हैं. That hike was the highlight of our whole Myanmar का backpacking का पूरा महीना. It was a very beautiful experience. You go through villages and hills and mountains, and it was very beautiful. And mostly people do it through guides or like a travel agency, but we chose to do it ourselves, which was the best decision. Okay, हाँ हम लोग के पूरे bags pain होने लग गए because the bags were very heavy, but even then if I would have to do it again, I would definitely choose to do it by myself. So there's a complete video specifically on the Callao to Inle hike, and you can check that out. So for us, Bagan to Callao जाने के लिए the bus cost us around 800 per person. So Callao to Inle Lake की hike, we did it in 2 days, so that meant just 1 night and 2 days. And we stayed at a tiny village, and हम लोग का stay cost us like 800, which was inclusive of the dinner and inclusive of the breakfast the following day, which was bharpoor. So at the end of the hike, you reach the Inle Lake, and then you have to take a boat from there to get to Nyang Shwe, which is the village beside the lake. And the boat will cost like around 700 per person. Definitely do not miss sunset in the boat inside Inle Lake. It is very beautiful. Offbeat jagah that you can go to is this place called Het Gyu Cave Monastery. Name नीचे लिखा होगा. So this monastery, इसके लिए you can just hire a bike, or if you stay at Baobab Bed Hostel, then the bikes are for free. So you can just like a bicycle bike, and you can just ride it all the way up to the monastery. And that cave monastery is a very beautiful one. अंदर बहुत शांति है, बहुत सुंदर है. So you definitely can go and see that one. There were another set of pagodas called In Tien pagodas, which are a little farther side. They're the opposite side of the lake. So they were far away and we couldn't do it, but the photos look very beautiful, so maybe you can try. So after Inle Lake, we left for Yangon, and the bus to Yangon cost us 800 rupees. From Yangon, we wanted to go to a beach in Myanmar, so we decided to go to Nue Song, lekin we had to travel a lot to get there. So we went from Yangon to Dagon Ayar bus station, फिर वहाँ से बस ली, फिर वापस चेंज किया, फिर और एक बस ली, फिर और एक ऑटो लिया. बेसिकली वी जस्ट स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ मनी टू गेट टू Nue Song beach. And the beach, even though it is secluded, it was highly overpriced and it looked very normal. So we will not suggest that you can just miss it. It's not necessary for you to go there. Instead, अगर आपको beaches कहीं देखने हैं तो I will suggest you can go to Napali beach, जो Rakhine state में है, which is why it's a little risky to get there, but that's a much more beautiful beach. After we got to Yangon, we just stayed at Yangon for 2 days before leaving for Myawaddy, which is the border town that Myanmar shares with the Thailand, Thailand की border में. And the Yangon to Myawaddy का bus cost us 950 rupees, which takes around 8 to 10 hours. जो Myawaddy की bus है, that leaves from Ominglar bus stop, which is pretty far away from the town, like the city, Yangon. So for that you need to keep aside at least 1 hour. It takes, you get shared cabs for rupees 50 per person to go from Yangon, like Chinatown के side से, to all the way till the Ominglar bus stop. So Myawaddy is on the Myanmar side and Mae Sot is on the Thailand side. So when you're crossing from Myawaddy to Mae Sot, वहाँ पे extra processing fees you need to pay as an Indian, which is $15, and make sure you either carry Thai baht or dollars, because they don't accept anything else. We had an issue regarding that. $15 makes it around 1,120. So total में around 3,600 के आसपास cost लग जाएगा. At Mae Sot we spent one night at a fairly reasonable hotel. It was 600 to 700 में मिल गया था. So for 2 persons it becomes really cheap. So that same evening we left for Bangkok and we took a bus for 525, which was like the best bus we had ever traveled in, because this is like a double decker bus जिसमें हम लोग को front seats मिला था with a full glass window, like 100% पूरा covering glass window with amazing amenities. सब बहुत सही था, and just for 525, which we didn't even, and it was an overnight bus, so we saved a lot on that. The bus reaches Bangkok at 4 AM in the morning at some petrol pump. So but it was not a problem, because 5 बजे से all the local buses in the city had started operating, so it was fairly easy for us to travel. We had to change like a couple buses. All of them were AC buses, real cheap, like 10 to 20 rupees, that's it. And then we got to Bangkok, like main city, जहाँ पे हम लोग का hostel था, the Mix hostel. It was near Khao San Road, which is a perfect location. So because we didn't want to spend a lot of time in the city, हम लोग को cities explore करने को मज़ा नहीं आता है. But it was Bangkok, so how can you just miss Bangkok? So we just stayed there for 2 days, and we visited a few places. We partied a lot at Khao San Road. After 2 days, we left for Phuket, and that's where the fun begins. So over to you, Raghu.
थैंक यू सो मच गार्गी, तूने बहुत ही अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया. मतलब सो गाइज, अभी इसके बाद में वी आर गोइंग टू मेक अनदर ट्रैवल सीरीज अबाउट आवर एडवेंचर्स इन थाईलैंड. हम लोगों ने किधर किधर वॉलंटियर किया और कितना स्पेंड किया, एंड एवरीथिंग वी आर गोइंग टू इंक्लूड इन इट. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड वॉच आवर वीडियोज़ एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल.